Master trading strategies, proven techniques by Tradingmasterss. Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome back to Tradingmasterss, where trading is serious business. But we still like to have a little fun, right? Today, I'm going to show you some pro-level trading techniques, the kind that actually work. And nope, it's not magic. It's not fairy dust. It's just smart trading, baby. Grab your coffee, your snacks, maybe even your dog, because we're diving deep today. Let's go. Market structure, simple and fun. All right, first, let's talk about market structure. Think of the market like a drunk guy trying to walk home. He staggers left, right, falls over, but somehow he still moves forward. That's your market trend. Higher highs, higher lows in an uptrend. Like he's drunk but determined. When the market breaks the last low, that's called break of structure, and that's our signal to maybe jump ship. Seriously, spotting these moves is like finding free candy. Once you see it, you can never unsee it. Smart money basics, fun and simple. Now, let's talk about the big dogs. Smart money. These are the guys with deep pockets, like buy a yacht before breakfast kind of pockets. They don't trade like you and me. They move the market on purpose, trap retail traders, then boom, move price the other way. It's kind of rude, but hey, we can ride the wave once we understand how they think. We're talking about spotting order blocks, fair value gaps. It's basically like finding footprints of a giant. And guess what? Giants are easy to follow when you know what to look for. Winning confluence method. Now let's get spicy. You don't just use one signal and pray. No. We need confluence. Imagine dating. You don't marry someone just because they like pizza. You check if they also like dogs, Netflix, and your weird jokes. Same with trading. We combine Fibonacci retracement levels, RSI signals, and a juicy candlestick pattern like an engulfing candle. If all these match, ding, 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 that's a high probability setup. And if not, swipe left, my friend, and move on to the next trade. Top 2 trading strategies, easy and fun. All right, let's talk strategies real quick. Strategy 1, breakout trading. Find a boring, tight range where the market is sleeping. As soon as it wakes up, we jump on that breakout like a Black Friday sale. Strategy number 2, reversal trading. When you see the market double top or double bottom, that's the market whispering, "I'm tired, bro." We listen, and we prepare to flip the trade the other way. Simple, clean, and no crystal balls needed. Risk management, make it funny but true. Risk management is like wearing a helmet when you ride a bike. You might look a little goofy, but hey, your brain stays inside your head, right? Same thing in trading. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade. Always use a stop loss. Take profits like you owe yourself money. And please, no, let's see what happens trades. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. Save that energy for poker night. Trading psychology. Real talk, trading is 80% mindset. The market doesn't owe you anything, not even a hug. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, just like life, or dating, or my attempts to fix anything around the house. Be patient, be disciplined, and if you blow an account, dust yourself off, figure out what went wrong, and come back smarter. Winners are just losers who refuse to quit. Conclusion. All right, legends, we covered a lot today. Market structure, smart money, confluence, strategies, risk management, psychology. Basically, you're now 73% more powerful as a trader and 100% cooler. If you enjoyed hanging out with me today, smash that like button like it owes you money and hit subscribe to join the Tradingmasterss family. More fun, more trading, more winning coming your way soon. See you in the next one. Peace out.